Okay. So one of those toys, right. So you already tried the exit slot to put the quarter in. It didn't go there. Okay, it was the 14th of April. Jumping beans. Is that where the quarter goes? Uh-oh. Alright, maybe we want to try it at the top, buddy. There's a little slot at the top, see it? That's where the quarter goes. Right? If you want that, or that, whichever one you want, put it in this top slot, like right there. You put it in there? Is it sitting in there? This is how long it takes, 3.5. Alright? No, buddy, here you go. You can do it. You keep doing it. Just put it in that slot. Drop it in there. Just let go of it. Drop it. Oops. It'll fit in there. Huh?
I can't.
You can do it. You can do it. Make it fit in there. Oh, there you go. Almost. Okay, that is going to actually help. All right, now turn the dial. Turn the handle to the right. Real hard. Keep turning. All right, there you go. Bam. That is the operation of the vending machine for the toys. Good job, buddy. High five. High five.
I turned out my money.
Yep, that's right. Turn it. Turns into a toy.